So we just had 250 amps going into the battery. Unfortunately, we've just gone into the sunlight's just disappeared on us again. So what have we got? 27 degrees top temperature in that. These things are still throttled, right? So we're not even hitting maximum out of these things. At 250, it's warm, man. What are they at? 30 degrees. So that's more or less maximum sustained current that we can get through those big wires. I think they're good for about 292 when they're out in the open like this, which is why they are out in the open like this. If they were in conduit, we'd have to cap it at about 240, I think. Shunt's fine. Now these wires here, they're not even as hot as the, that's me, that's warm there, that's 29 degrees. So these 16mm square wires are, they're doing 70 amps. They're not really meant for 70 amps, but they're not going past 29 degrees Celsius, which is, I'm pretty chuffed with that. That is cool, man. 250. You beauty. So it was overcast out. Unfortunately, it's backed off now, but it was overcast out. And then suddenly 14 kilowatts was just flowing into the battery. I missed it when I was at 20, so I don't actually know what it got up to, but I think safe to say we're going to be alright.